It's been a while and my fingers are soft, and my playing's a little bit rough, but I thought you would want to know that I'm still here. I didn't know if anything would come out. It's been months since I opened my mouth to tell you that after it all.
Bon appetit, guys. The food is finally ready. Plantain, and this is potato chips. This is tomato. This is egg. This is plantain. This is pumpkin leaf, and this is a tomato sauce. Okay. This is really yummy. This is sleeping recipe. If you really want to sleep, try this. Oh, to be honest with you, this is yummy. It's been long I've been craving for pap. It's really been very long. The last time I took custard, the tastes are different. Egg with pumpkin leaf or go see. Yummy, yummy.